If you're looking for a simple way to charge multiple Apple devices without dealing with a mess of separate chargers and cables, this product is worth a closer look. The Essager 3-in-1 portable folding wireless charger stand is designed to charge a compatible phone, Apple Watch, and wireless earphones from a single charging stand, making everyday charging a lot more organized.
The biggest advantage here is convenience.
Instead of keeping different charging accessories on your desk or bedside table, this stand brings everything together in one place. It supports magnetic wireless charging for compatible Apple iPhones and delivers up to 15 watts of wireless charging output. The built-in holder also gives you a stable place to keep your phone while it's charging, helping keep your space neat and easy to use. Another practical feature is its folding design, which makes the charger easier to carry or store when it's not in use. It uses a USB Type-C connector for power input and is designed to work with compatible phones, smartwatches, and earphones. It also carries CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications, and the product information states that it contains no high-concern chemicals. If you're watching this review because you want a single charging solution for compatible Apple devices, don't forget to keep an eye on the product code shown in this video. You can use it later to quickly find this exact product on the website through the link in the video description. Overall, the Essager 3-in-1 portable folding wireless charger stand focuses on simplifying daily charging by combining support for multiple compatible devices into one compact stand with magnetic wireless charging. When you're ready to learn more, simply copy or remember the product code shown in this video. Then open the website using the link in the video description, enter the product code into the website's search box, and the product page will appear with the product image, key information, and available purchase options. Take a look through the details to decide whether it's the right charging solution for your setup.